Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to part 6 of the adventure build. It's going to be a relatively short one because I've already installed the racks, but it's very simple, just 2 bolts. I've actually changed the hardware too because they came with 13mm bolts, so I changed them for these Allen key ones. I think they're 8mm, and I also had to get some spacers made, as you can see on the other side. I actually needed 2 spacers to clear this side panel where the exhaust is. It's clearing by about 2 or 3mm, so that's alright. They're powder coated, they're dirt racks. A lot of people might say they're going to bend, which you're probably right, because they don't have that back support. I'll think about making that at some point, but we'll see how they go for now. So what we'll do is we'll just chuck the Wolfman saddlebags on and see how it all fits. So let's get into it. Alright, so what I think we'll do is we'll fill these up with some camping gear, just so it's easier to install. I don't know if you guys have noticed I've got a new camera. It's got much more of a wide angle. The other one decided to give up on me. Let me know in the comments if it's alright. But anyways, we'll fill these up, chuck them on the bike, see how it looks. So now that they're full of gear, it should be easier to install. Looks like they're roughly set up already. Alright, so the Wolfman Expedition bags are mounted like so. Just feed that through that gap there. It's locked in. The bottom of these racks have that ring, which prevents the bags from sliding down. So they should stay on pretty nice and snug. So we'll finish doing these clips and we'll have a look what they look like. Cool, so the bags are strapped down. What do you think? I don't think it looks too bad. Time will tell if those racks actually hold up. There is enough clearance from the exhaust there, nice and secure. We'll take the bike outside just so we can have a proper look at it. But I think it looks alright so far. Just enough room for the tent, sleeping mat, cooking gear, things like that. Try to keep it real minimal. So yeah, let's take it outside and should almost be done. Alright guys, I know it was quick and easy, nice and short, but I didn't have my phone to actually do the install at the time, so that should conclude the video. Thanks for watching guys, catch you next time.